little yogis. I'm so happy you're here today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun and happy adventure. Today's practice is filled with playful move and peaceful breath to help you feel strong, joyful, and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin our yoga journey. Let's go start. Butterfly stretch pose. Opens hips, improves flexibility, stretches inner thighs, supports better posture, calms the mind, increases blood circulation, reduces stiffness, helps comfortable sitting, improves movement range, builds body awareness, and keeps kids active, relaxed, and happy. Daily. Wide leg forward fold pose. Stretches hamstrings, calves, and back muscles. Improves flexibility, relaxes the whole body, boosts circulation, eases tight legs, supports balance, improves posture, increases mobility, and helps children feel refreshed, calm, and strong every day. Happy baby pose. Opens hips, stretches legs gently, relaxes lower back muscles, improves flexibility, calms energy, reduces tension, supports digestion, encourages playful movement, improves mobility, helps posture, and makes children feel cheerful, peaceful, and relaxed. Daily. Cat-cow pose. Improves spine flexibility, stretches back and belly muscles, supports healthy posture, increases movement, warms the body, reduces stiffness, boosts coordination, encourages breathing rhythm, improves focus, and helps children feel energized, calm, and comfortable daily. Puppy stretch pose. Opens shoulders, stretches chest and arms, lengthens the spine, improves upper body flexibility, reduces tension, supports posture, improves breathing, increases mobility, relaxes muscles, boosts energy, and helps kids feel light, calm, and refreshed. Lizard stretch pose. Opens hips deeply, stretches legs strongly, improves flexibility, strengthens arms, increases balance, supports movement, reduces stiffness, improves coordination, builds endurance, boosts posture, and helps children feel active, confident, and strong every day. Seated side bend pose. Stretches waist, ribs, and shoulders, improves flexibility, supports better breathing, increases side body movement, helps posture, reduces tightness, boosts circulation, improves balance, and keeps children feeling fresh, happy, active, and relaxed. Bridge pose. Strengthens legs and glutes, opens chest, stretches hips, improves spine flexibility, boosts energy, supports posture, improves balance, increases body strength, reduces stiffness, helps breathing, and makes children feel strong, cheerful, and confident. Frog stretch pose. Opens hips widely, stretches inner thighs, improves flexibility, increases mobility, reduces tightness, supports easy movement, improves balance, boosts circulation, relaxes muscles, helps posture, and keeps children active, free, comfortable, and playful daily. Cobra pose. strengthens back muscles, opens chest, stretches belly, improves spine flexibility, boosts posture, increases energy, supports breathing, reduces stiffness, improves confidence, builds strength, and helps children feel active, tall, happy, and strong. Butterfly stretch pose. Opens hips, improves flexibility, stretches inner thighs, supports better posture, calms the mind, increases blood circulation, reduces stiffness, helps comfortable sitting, improves movement range, builds body awareness, and keeps kids active, relaxed, and happy. Daily.